Hello awesome viewers, welcome to AC Studio. I have here two of the extra miniaturium Joytoy figures, and they are 2 out of 5 of the Cadian command squad, and the one here on the right is the veteran with the medi-pack, and then on the left is the veteran sergeant with the power fist. When I received the veteran sergeant left hand shoulder joint, unfortunately was broken. Try to rotate the arms, and when I rotated, apparently the pack inside the body is very stiff, and when I turned the arm, I did not realize I'm actually turning the pack instead of turning the whole arm. No! As per one of my previous video, which I show how to fix the shoulder joint of Joytoy figures, the Ultramarines blade guard actually have the same issue as the shoulder joint here, right? And when I moved the arm, it suddenly came off. I was asking what the beat is going on.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Apparently the peg on the shoulder joints broke off. I moved his arms, just see how it goes and stuff like that. Realize, oh my god, not again. When you turn the shoulder joint, you often turn the peg. You're not actually turning the whole shoulder joint. And of course, I got really annoyed by it because it happened again. And I thought that after 2 years, Joytoy will improve the joint. And also, I don't really believe in customer service. I used to buy my Joytoy figures through an online company based in Hong Kong. And the very last time I bought from them was a Chaos figure. The box was actually dented, but the cardboard box outside, right, wasn't dented. So obviously, they just put it inside. They don't really care. They just want to sell the product regardless whether the box is good or not. But the problem is I am also paying for the box as well. I actually keep all the boxes because I'm a collector myself. Then I told them, and they say, yeah, I'll send it over to you, whatever. They never did. So I'm kind of a customer who doesn't really trust after sale service. And I got these figures from Kowkis Toy. So I'm thinking, look, maybe I should ask them instead of fixing that myself again. So I talked to Kowkis Toy and just send them a video you just watch. They quickly get back to me on the same date, and I asked them to send me the joint by the next day, and they said they have already sent the replacement to me. And I received the package last week, and they did not just send me the joint, they actually sent me the new hand. So you can say I got 2 hands now. So I got 2 hands, so I may use this for something else. And they gave me the hand with the joint together so kind of give me the confidence of getting more stuff from Kowkis Toy. And if you got the chance, please have a look at the website. You can use my discount code to get a 6% discount for all the Joytoy and Exit Ring figures. So I want to say a huge thank you for Kowkis Toy for saving my figure. Otherwise, if I don't contact anyone, I have to fix it myself. And what I've done is I basically just pull the hand off, but the problem is the pack was stuck inside the body here. So what happened is I don't really have a choice, and I use a drill to actually drill through that pack. But the problem is because the drill is a little too big, so I actually drill a bigger hole than what it should be. The connector, I basically need to wrap this with paper, just A4 paper to make it a little bit bigger. And then I just squeeze it inside the hole. Yes, even though it is not very stable, but I can still do the articulation without any issue, and it doesn't come off as well, so which is good. So it wasn't really difficult to do, consider I already done the blade guard before, which is much more difficult to deal with. And now let's have a quick look at the figures, and I'm not going to go for the articulation because these figures are basically the same as the figures that comes with the Maulius rocket launcher. If you haven't seen that video, please give me a bit of support, have a look at that video and give me a like. Not many people watch that video because it has been released for more than 6 months now, but still, if you can give me a bit of support, will be really appreciated. Alright, let's have a look at the veteran sergeant with the power fist. The veteran sergeant, surprisingly, it doesn't come with a lot of accessories. They gave you 4 exchangeable hands and only 1 pistol. And that's it, there's no more accessories on this figure. As per the video in the Maulius rocket launcher, I really like the sculpting of the hand. I think the hand looks really realistic, even though it looks kind of big compared to the scale of this figure. But it still looks good. And the special thing about this sergeant is it comes with a power fist. It comes with a pipe that connects to the backpack here, right? And beside the shoulder joint, and the elbow joint, single elbow joint, the fist, apparently it actually have a swivel as well here, right? So that makes it looks much better, because at first I thought it doesn't come with it, but it actually can swivel really well. So that means you can pose it, so you have it pose it like that, punching someone, or you know, you can have it like that as well, you know, hitting someone, right? Anyway, the other arm as well looks really good, and the backpack, they put a black wash on the backpack, so everything looks really nice here. The accessories on the belt are actually fixed, and the gun sleeve, it looks like it is connected on a ball joint, but I'm not too sure. I cannot really move it really well, so I don't think so, or it could be glue fixed already. These grenades are very nice as well. You got the pocket, and I think generally the rest of the figure looks pretty much the same as the figures that I have reviewed in the rocket launcher video. And like what I said in that video, the painting of the figures are very nice. You know, you got all the wash on the chest piece here, you know, like what I mentioned, the wash and the black wash, you know, on the backpack, and they have the brown wash on the uniform here. So everything looks really good here. And what I really like about this guy is actually having a cigarette in his mouth, so that looks really realistic. And also on the chest, forgot to mention, is a medal, so he actually won a medal, being a sergeant perhaps. Next, I'm gonna have a look at the veteran with the medi-pack. So medi-pack means he is a medic, a doctor, and he comes with a lot of accessories in this figure. So it comes with I think a lace gun, and the backpack. Let me pull this off. The backpack is an accessories by itself. He also got a sword for operation, not for battle, but of course you can use it if you want to fight against the orcs. It comes with a sleeve here, so that looks really good. So you can see the backpack, everything looks really great, well painted as well. And this, you can actually move it. So this one, you put a sword here, supposed to put a sword in here. So, and then here you can actually put a lace gun here. So that is how it looks like. So I really like this backpack because it comes with a bit of like, you know, play features on it, even though these play features are not really special. And the figure has the a lot of accessories here. It's already on the figure. So you have a kind of like a backpack, and I think you got a medicine here, something like that. Yeah, just like that. And then you got another one, which I can pull this off. And this one got another kind of like medi-pack, you know, medicine pack. The sculpting on both looks really good. And yeah, but it doesn't come with any brown wash or black wash on it, nor a lighter kind of like brown highlighting. So I think it would be good if they put it on there, right? And then without all the accessories, that's how the figure looks like, right? And I really like the figure with the mask on. And then got this kind of a lens for operation, perhaps not for battle. Yep, and but it's still got a grenade to protect himself, I guess. And on this shoulder pad, it got a very different sculpt as compared to the other figures. So it got this little bottle of medicine, perhaps, not too sure. And then you got this shoulder piece, shoulder pad, so which got a medical badge or medic badge. Yep. So the whole figure looks really nice. Yeah, and the bottom part of it looks exactly the same as the rest of the figures. Not much differences. And beside all the accessories you see here, it also comes with extra lace gun as well, which actually got a leather straps. So you can actually display it just like what it is on the box art like this. So you can have the figure holding the gun like that. And looks really good. It fits perfectly onto the hands. So the hand sculpting looks really good. So that is how many hands they gave you. And my understanding is of all the figures in the command squad, this figure probably have the most accessories as compared to other figures. And then this is the size comparison. So you compare to a typical Death Corps, so they are the same height because they're the same size. And this is the stern guards, which I've just reviewed in my last video. So if you haven't watched this video, please have a look. And I have enhanced the look of this figure by putting more wash on it, including the helmet. So it looks much better. Anyway, so this is a rough size comparison. Now looking back, I think the Death Corps is very skinny. They should actually brief it up, right? And this one looks much better compared to that. So once again, as per my conclusion in the rocket launch video, Astra miniature figures are really good in my opinion. I think they're really well designed. The sculpt looks really amazing. I think it looks even better than Space Marine in my opinion. The articulation are also very good as well. The only downside, like what I have experienced, is the shoulder joint. All these figures that I got here, right, the shoulder joint are very stiff. So I need to be really careful. So you need to be very careful when you move it. The best is actually put some lubricant inside the joint, and which I've done already, so that now when I move the arms, it's actually smoother, and then I won't twist the pack. And I don't think putting in hot water will help, because we're weakened in plastic, so it doesn't last as long. So I actually use lubricant most of the time, you know, to put into the joints. So anyway, now comes to the end of this video. I believe most of you already got these figures. Still appreciate that you come and watch it, despite, you know, these figures has been around for a while now. I think I may get 1 or 2 more Cadian Command Squad figures, because I think they're really good. Please give me a bit of support by liking this video, and let me know what you think. I'll catch you in the next one. See you next time. Bye for now.